Cognitive architecture for language agent is a framework for systematize the diverse method for large language model based reasoning, grounding, learning, and decision making as instantiation of language agents in the framework. The problem what it is trying to solve is best understood by this diagram. Mainly in the previous months, we have seen a rapid growth of large language models, but at the same time, we have seen the lack of any systematic framework for constructing a fully fledged agent which will facilitate incorporating or licensing with external resources. There could be even internal control flows or prompt chaining for tasks such as grounding reasoning. But we have seen the evolution of things like LangChain and few others, but still there is no systematic framework for constructing this LLM agent. That is where these researchers have drawn on the rich history of agent design in symbolic AI to develop a blueprint for a new wave of cognitive language agents. In this research paper, they have shown that LLMs have many of the same properties as production systems. At the same time, they have also shown that these framework, which is called a scholar framework, to highlight gaps and propose actionable direction, really works because it is the right direction toward more capable language agents in the future. I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. So if you think that this is something useful for you, feel free to follow it up. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.